Stop. Before you answer this in an interview, pause and think clearly.
This question eliminates candidates. It sounds simple, but many people confuse the terms and answer incorrectly.
What's the real difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI? If you can explain this clearly, you immediately stand out.
Artificial intelligence is the broader field. It is the overall discipline focused on building intelligent systems. Machines acting smart simply means systems that simulate intelligent behavior. They can reason, make decisions, and solve problems in a way that appears intelligent. AI systems can make decisions based on rules or logic. They follow structured instructions to produce predictable outcomes.
They can analyze situations and solve problems, even if those problems require evaluating multiple possibilities.
Even simple rule-based chatbots fall under artificial intelligence because they mimic intelligent conversation using predefined rules.
In rule-based systems, if a condition is met, a fixed response is triggered. There is no learning involved, only predefined logic.
So remember, AI is the overall domain. Everything else we discuss fits inside this larger category.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It represents a more advanced approach within AI. Instead of fixed rules, it learns patterns from data. The system improves by analyzing examples rather than instructions. In machine learning, the system is not controlled by a fixed rulebook. That's why we say it is not hard-coded. Instead of following predefined rules, it learns patterns directly from data. For example, email spam detection uses machine learning. It learns from thousands of labeled emails to identify patterns. So does fraud detection in banking systems. Models analyze transaction history to detect unusual behavior. Machine learning identifies patterns in large data sets, patterns that humans might not easily detect. So machine learning exists within artificial intelligence. It is one powerful method used to achieve AI. Deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning. It is designed to handle very large and complex data sets. It uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks simulate interconnected layers of neurons. These networks contain multiple layers. Each layer extracts more abstract features from the data. That's why it's called deep. Face recognition systems rely on deep learning. They analyze visual features across many layers. Voice assistants also use deep learning models. They convert speech into text and understand context. Deep learning handles highly complex patterns in massive data sets, especially in images, audio, and natural language. Now the hierarchy becomes clearer. Each level builds on the one before it. Generative AI is built on top of deep learning. It represents a modern advancement in AI capabilities. Unlike traditional models, it generates new outputs. It doesn't just classify or predict, it creates. It can create text, entire paragraphs, summaries, or even essays. It can generate images, artwork, designs, and visual concepts from prompts. It can even write code, helping developers build faster and more efficiently. Systems like ChatGPT are examples of generative AI. They are trained on vast amounts of language data. These systems are powered by advanced deep learning models, often using large-scale neural network architectures. So the complete structure is now clear, from broad AI to specialized generative AI. In interviews, you can confidently explain it this way: structured, logical, and easy to understand. Artificial intelligence is the overall domain. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Generative AI is powered by deep learning models. Now you're ready to answer this question with clarity and confidence, and explain it in a way that interviewers appreciate.